with Karen Riddle, WBZ, Boston News Radio. Sorry, it's on the 10:33. Let's see if everybody else on the road is just as frustrated as Karen is. And I'm assuming that's probably a yes. I'm not the expert here, Kevin Brennan. Subaru retailers up in England, all-wheel drive traffic on the streets. Take it away, my friend.
Forward, Nicole. Yeah, I think a lot of people are staying off the road. The people that are out there are certainly having a challenge, and it's certainly a tough go with it out there. A lot of roadways, as Karen just mentioned, most of the roadways are still snow covered. Some areas better than others. Nonetheless, keep those speeds down. Give yourself lots of extra room between you and the car in front of you and even behind you if you can. Be careful on the on and off ramps of these major highways and secondary roadways. Certainly could be an issue. And we have numerous spin-outs throughout the morning commute, but again, looks like things are starting to settle down. Seeing one spin-out here and there. Had a couple cleared, one up to the north here. It's clear to spin out up in that Peabody stretch of 128. But certainly going to want to keep those speeds down if you're heading out onto these roads. Now down along the Cape, looks like there's rain coming down at wet roadways for the most part. Along the Cape, Route 6, Route 28, as well as towards the Route 3 through that Plymouth area on over towards New Bedford on Route 195. This report sponsored by Safeguard Soap and Sanitizers. Safeguard against germs this cold and flu season. Safeguard hand soap with micellar deep cleansing washes away 99% of germs, even down to the pores, leaving hands clean and hydrated. Safeguard against germs by hand washing with Safeguard. Kevin Brennan, WBZ traffic on the freeway.
All right, let's get back to the 4-day WBZ AccuWeather forecast. We get this winter storm lining up for a couple more hours. Let's bring back into the relative season board and take a look at what we can expect in the next few hours.
Nicole, this storm is continuing to rage, and we knew it would into the day. If you thought that you could probably escape its wrath, you're not correct, because it is still snowing, and it will do so pretty heavily in South Wisconsin about noontime. Start to take off this afternoon north and east, but areas that were south and east of the city that were not as bad with the storm as we got up this morning has gotten worse, and that'll continue to deteriorate, and we'll give you some snow showers in the Cape and the coast tonight. Well, the each city in England, left to the south and east, are predicted all morning long. WBZ, Boston News Radio.
And right now, that snow is just coming down without a break. We're seeing that really pounding the area north, the north of Buster Hills, I should say, where it's 15 degrees right now in Winston. And nothing over toward the Cape right now. That rain snow line seems to be traveling the Cape Cod now. We're 36 in Sandwich. West of town, still breaking the action, though, if you're in Springfield. Seeing some foggy skies, 21 right now, so that's what's up. Looks like, though, in the city of Boston, I'm looking out the window, and all the way I can see the skyline here from the studio. Yeah, I see nothing but snow. Blowing, drifting snow right now in the city of Boston. 24 degrees, but it feels northeast. All right, 36, sloppy mix south of the city as well as we deal with the storm, that rain and sleet mixing in for the past few hours. One man who has been on the road for quite some time now, our very own Chris Bama, because you've been all over the place. What are you up to now?